Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add APTOS network to your Trust wallet. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. And what I want to say that the network itself, you can go ahead and find it by clicking at the top right corner, and this is the Manage Crypto option. And once you click on all networks, you just scroll down a little bit. You're gonna find APTOS right there, as you can see. So you can actually choose APTOS here, and you will be able to see all of the coins from APTOS. If you would click Manage Crypto and you would search for APTOS, you would only see this one coin. So I suggest to just click right there, choose APTOS Network, and just like so, you will get all of the coins from APTOS. And you can just toggle them on, for example, just like so. Go back, and now you will see them here on your dashboard. You can go ahead and click on it. You can receive it or just buy it with fiat money. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.